Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and here I am once again with a new topic for you. Our topic for today is period of silence. What is this period of silence? The maximum number of questions that I encounter every day are pertaining to I see angel numbers but I see nothing happening in my life. No change in how things are going on. You have been working so hard and still you do not see any success or anything new coming in your life, or you have been working hard, doing everything possible, giving your best, and then things are getting worse. Actually, you lost this, you did not get that due you were so sure of. Now why does this happen? What happened to angel numbers? What happened to all the laws of the universe you have read about, you have heard about? What happened to your manifestation? Now, there is something called the period of silence before things actually start happening for you. God will never give you a difficulty that you cannot endure, because the universe, the supreme power, the Almighty is always walking with you. The Almighty is working for you, for your benefit. But then I cannot see anything happening. That is what is your test. It is very easy to say, I believe in God, when you are partying, when everything is going on well. Now the test lies in when things are not going your way. We want everything to happen our way. I had thought about this story for me, and so it should happen in that way. But that is not the way of the universe. The universe is going to make its own story, to bring everything, all your manifestations in your life. But the story will be what the universe makes for you. The timing will not be the timing you have thought. It will be the divine timing. Why? Because the universe has to see that you are ready to receive the benefits, the big gift that the universe has for you. Because of what you have created with your hard work, with your thoughts, with your belief, with your trust in the universe. Also, you are not the only character in that story. There are so many more people involved who will make the story true for you. Now the universe has to get those people ready too. If one of the characters of your story is not ready, then the universe has to, it has to make a story around that character, so that this person is ready, this person is ready, this place is ready, this thing is ready. So many things constantly being worked upon just for making that one manifestation true for you. And then you have to be ready. You have to be in that receiving mode. Are you ready to receive the blessing? If you feel you are not enough, if you go by what others say, you are no good, or you keep clinging to your past self. I have come from here. Nobody has been successful. My family has never had an education, or this is what is wrong in my family. This illness is continuing in our family, or failure has become a part of life. If this is the belief you are living with, or it is not your belief, this is what you hear people say about you, your near and dear ones say about you. Now, if this is the belief you are living with, then with a belief of lack, you cannot connect with abundance. So lot of changes have to be made, and the universe is going to take small tests. You have to pass these small tests to receive something big. When you see a seed, the seed looks so small. I am filled with awe whenever I see a seed, or whenever I see a huge tree. You cannot believe that this huge tree was once a small seed which could fly anywhere with the wind. You see the power that lies within a small seed. That is the same power that lies within you. All we have to do is recognize the power within. Now, the test lies in whether you listen to people, the outside voices, or do you believe in your own abilities? Do you listen to the outside voices? Do you believe in what you see outside? Nothing manifesting, no major change happening in your life, or things getting worse, that illness, that problem? Or do you go by what you actually know? You know means that inherent knowledge, inherent intelligence within you, which you call as intuitive intelligence. You just know things will get better. Things are happening for you. They are very, very near. And they can be yours anytime. It can be today, it can be now. You just know, but you cannot see it. We are conditioned to believe in only what we are able to perceive through our physical senses. Cut off from these physical senses. Go within. Go within, and that intuitive intelligence, that knowledge, intuition is there within you. Your thoughts are the most powerful tool that you have. You can create anything with the power of your thoughts. Use the power of your thoughts for creating a beautiful life. You can use this power of thought only when you can imagine something better than what you are able to perceive through your six senses or what you can see. This is not even 1% of what is happening for you. A lot is happening at the non-physical level before you can even perceive it, experience it in your reality. And here lies the magic. You have to believe in what you cannot see, and then things are going to manifest for you. So if you have been working very hard at something, just keep going, because as Easter Hicks says, this is a gestation period. You cannot see the baby, but the baby is there. You cannot see the manifestation, but the story is being created for your manifestation. It is actually happening for you. So be in positive expectation of what is coming in your life. And who is the creator? You are co-creating with the universe. You are the creator of your own life. You create by the power of your thoughts and imagination, and you take the decisions through your intuitive intelligence. Use the miracles, the miraculous powers that lie within you. So just like the forest lies within a seed, the same powers lie within you. You will never be given a difficulty that is too big for you to bear, because the Almighty is working and walking with you all the time. If you can believe in this, no problem will actually look like a problem for you, because you just know this too shall pass. Now, what is your initial vibration for attracting the things that you have ever desired? They are your now vibrations. What do your now vibrations look like? Do you create your vibrations depending on what you can see? Because this is the creation from your past vibrations. Or are you ready to create in this moment for the future? So what are your now vibrations looking like? This depends on your belief, your trust in the Almighty, regardless of the circumstances in your life. They may be not very congenial right now, but still the thoughts you are giving out will make the vibration depending on the emotions you are feeling. So you can cut off from that physical pain, cut off from that emotional pain, and align with knowing that the best is coming in your life, that healing is coming, that beautiful manifestation is about to come in your life. When you speak about wellness. When you speak about it is coming in my life. The best is coming in my life. Things are getting better. This is your belief. This becomes your initial point of attracting your manifestation. Who started it? Your belief, your thoughts, your trust in the Almighty. There is something known as the light body, which is also known as Merkaba. Mer means light, Ka means soul, and Ba means body. This is an Egyptian term. Now, what is this light body? Light body is the chariot of the soul. This is the body of matrix through which we connect with the source. That makes us so powerful. When you connect with the source, remain connected with the source all the time. Whenever you sit to meditate, sit in a position with a feeling of love and completeness, love and satisfaction, peace. You are in peace with yourself. That means you are aligned with your inner being, your inner core, with belief, thinking about only positive outcomes in your life. What happens is the 7 chakras in your body are open, and then when you feel positive and peaceful, there is free flow of chi or life energy within these 7 chakras, and this brings a sort of illumination in your aura, or the light body is activated. The light body is the cumulative point between your emotional body, your physical body, and your inner being. When all the three are aligned, that is mind, body and spirit, when they are aligned, that is when you feel so bright inside. That is when things start happening for you. You are in alignment with the source. As you become so powerful, as you are aligned with the source energy, that is the point when you start attracting everything beautiful in your life. Your desires start manifesting. So whenever you sit for meditation, you just have to feel positive, you have to feel satisfied, you have to feel peaceful within. Feel as if you are imbibing all the white light of the sun and filling your whole body with the sun's white, bright light. Now, this energy becomes you. And every day when you fill your body with the white light of the sun, with this bright light within you, the light of peace, the light of satisfaction, no conflicts going on inside. You just know it must happen for you. The best is coming for you. You connect with the source. You live in trust that the best is coming for you. Now you will see the change. Before that, this is the period of silence, when things are happening for you at the non-physical level, but you are not able to see. Why this period of silence? Because this is a test of your faith in the universe. Do you believe in yourself? Do you go by what you see or by what you know? It must come to you. It is right here. You have to align with the vibration of your manifestation. That is a big thing coming to you. Are you feeling big enough? If you are aligned with small thinking, you are embroiled with petty problems, you are feeling negative, you cannot align with something positive, something big. So your vibration has to match with the vibration of what's coming in your life. And now, when everything is not going on well, cut off from what is not going on well. Focus more on what is going on well in your life so that you are happy. Happy emotions, happy thoughts. Now when you feel happy, you feel joyful, you feel satisfied, you are not in conflict with your inner being, you are aligned with your inner being. Now your light body is activated, your aura shines bright. Through Kirlian photography, you can actually get a photograph of your aura. Have you seen how you feel so peaceful with certain people? You just feel a sense of peace. You want them to keep sitting there in front of you. Don't speak, don't do anything, just keep sitting. I feel peaceful and so nice sitting with you, talking to you. So that is because their light body is activated. They are full of positive energy, full of knowing, connected with the universe. And we all have this limitless potential. We are all like seeds having a forest within. That is your inherent potential. You have to activate your inherent potential to reach where you can. And this depends on how big you can think, how big you can believe, how much you can believe in your own abilities and in the universe, your trust in the universe. When things are actually not going on right, when you can actually feel that pain in your body, cut off from there and give out a different emotion. Cut off from what people say. You cannot do it. This is impossible. Cut off from there. Make a new story for you. You are the protagonist of your own story and you can make any change anytime. You are co-creating with the universe, but the first step is always taken by you. So take that first step of belief, of knowing that the best must come to you, things must change for the better, and they will. You'll start seeing them in your experience, and then you will know when you experience synchronicity, when you see those angel numbers. This is the truth that you are on the right path. Just keep going. Whenever you see these angel numbers, whenever you experience synchronicity, you feel like something good is coming, but I cannot see it. It is true. Just believe in what you cannot see, in the unseen. When you believe in the unseen, that is when you see all the beauty that lies, covered under some kind of beautiful unseen curtain that is lifted, and new people, new experiences, accolades, manifestations, abundance, financial, abundance starts pouring into your life. So take that first step of belief. Your thoughts make all the manifestations come true. And thought is belief. Thought is imagination. Thought is self-affirmations. They should be positive. Thought is believing, disconnecting from what you can see, that illness, that difficulty, that problem, and still thinking everything will be right. I know it. I believe it, and so I am happy in this moment. When you can be happy in this moment, because then this becomes your now vibration, now things start happening for you. Are you ready to see those manifestations in your life? Be happy, be cheerful, be satisfied, be pure in thought, be aligned with your inner being, do more of what you love to do. Make little acts of kindness your daily prayer. You don't need to do big things every day. Small acts of kindness, that's it. And that brings the major changes in your life. Remember this? I love you, Inner Universe community. It is so beautiful to connect with all of you. My blessings and prayers are always with you. I send you my blessings and I pray that your life is filled with abundance, beauty, love, and everything. May all your desires come true. Thank you. Namaste.